US index this week was bouncing between the resistance and support level, which we can see here. The price has reached 105 and then bouncing back down, start of this demand zone, and then returning back up and continue to fall down. So it was some kind of indecision, and we can see that the weekly time frame has closed as indecision candle where the open price is very close to the close price, with a higher on the wicks on the upper side and on the bottom side. Monthly time frame shows us that the previous month has been closed as a bearish candle where the price has returned back down very close to the open price of the previous month. What these two candles shows us that it is a fight between the sellers and the buyers between these two price levels, and we will need to wait a breakout. Will the price make a breakout below 104, which is a very critical support level for the US index, or the price will return back up where the price needs to make several breakouts in order to continue to rise in value to the higher price levels? Which very important critical levels on the upper side these are visible on the lower time frames. We can see that the first one is here, 105, that needs to be broken in order for the price to return back up and continue to rise in value. After that, the second one will be here, 105.82. For that, we can see the daily time frame, which shows us a very critical levels, 105.64, and after that is here very close to 106.08. These are very important levels. We need to have in mind that currently the price is moving downside. We see that it is a small downtrend channel that has been broken with this sideways moving, which means the price needs to determine where the price will move. For now, as it is, currently what I can see, it is very hard to determine where the price could go, because the price is forming this indecision range area, moving sideways, and it is a very important supply zone, a resistance level here, and the demand zone as a support here. That needs to be broken to allow us to see where the next move could be. So for now, this is something that we need to wait on the US index. It's not very clear where the price could go in the future. Wait for the breakout and then we'll see what happens next, what are the next targets. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. And that is all for this week. See you next time and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.